Apple is about to do the impossible things. What's up guys, from Andro Reviews we are going to back again with the iPhone news. We have a lot of bad news from Apple, but first we talk about the huge bold news. Ming Chinko, one of the most trusted Apple leakers, say 2020 iPhone boxes does not include charger or headphones in the iPhone 12 series boxes. You can buy separately just like the headphone jack removed in 2016 and introduce the notch, change the landscape of smartphone forever. And it's time to do that again. According to Q, Apple will not include earbuds or charger in iPhone 12 boxes. The reason behind this insane decision: Apple will go truly wireless next year with the iPhone 13 series. Seems like they're preparing customers right now. They are further mentioned Apple will offer a brand new 20-watt fast charger with the iPhone 12 series, but you have to buy separately. It is not included in the box. It is shocking because we are expecting it is happening next year with the iPhone 13 series. The iPhone 12 series is still rocking the lightning port, so I don't understand this early decision. If you look Apple website, the 18-watt USB-C power adapter cost $29 and the new 20-watt adapter cost more than $30 for sure. Just imagine buying a phone and boxing and then not having a charger out of the box. Apple, are you kidding me? Subscribe if you like and turn on notification to get notified every time we posted a new video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.